Okay, part A on this question is a don't forget about your formula booklet. The integral of sec squared is in there, and in fact the integral of sec squared is tan. So it will integrate to tan 3x, you divide by the derivative, which is 3, so it's going to be a third tan x plus c. So don't forget your formula booklet there. Using integration by parts or otherwise, find this integral. So we want our u to be equal to x. We want our dv by dx to be our sec squared 3x, since we've just integrated that. So du by dx is of course 1, and v is our a third tan 3x. So our integration by parts formula is ux, so that's a third x tan 3x minus the integral of a third tan 3x. Now this is another one where we want our formula booklet, because indeed tan x is also in the formula booklet, and tan x is actually going to go to ln sec x, so it's ln sec 3x and it was a third. I still need to divide by the derivative inside there, so it's still going to be a third divided by 3, a ninth plus c. So this question, very much a use your formula book. And then part C, hence show that the integral between pi over 9 and pi over 18 is that. So we've got a third x tan 3x minus a ninth of ln sec 3x between pi over 9 and pi over 18. So we have pi over 27 times tan pi by 3 minus a ninth ln sec pi over 6. No, sorry, pi over 2 still. Pi over 3. I was putting in the wrong thing. And then that is subtract the pi over 18. So pi over 18 over 3, 36, 54. So 1/54th pi 54th tan pi by 6 minus a ninth ln sec pi by 6. Wow, okay. And this is going to be a very careful job to rearrange, because it does want our P and Q. Yeah, something pi and then ln 3. So if we go to our calculator, make sure that we are in radians. Tan of pi by 3 is, and also make sure you're in the right mode, tan of pi by 3 is root 3. So this is pi over 27 root 3. To work out sec on your calculator, you need to do cos of pi by 3, which is a half. You need to 1 over it, which is then 2. So you've got ln 2. Or, yeah, we'll do that. Minus a ninth ln 2 minus pi over 54 tan pi over 6. Tan of pi over 6 is root 3 over 3. So that's pi root 3 over 162 minus a ninth cos pi by 6 is root 3 over 2. 1 divided by that is 2 root 3 over 3. So that's minus a ninth ln 2 root 3 over 3. Now then, this looks horrendous. However, we actually do pi over 27 root 3 minus pi root 3 162. We get 5 pi root 3 over 162. Now we've got minus a ninth ln 2 plus a ninth ln 2 root 3 over 3. And if we break down using rules of logs, that's actually, this one here is a ninth of ln 2 divided by, so minus ln of root 3. 2 over root 3 is the same as 2 root 3 over 3. And that's nice because I'm rewriting the rest of my stuff here, so I should put that in front of the pi, 5 root 3 pi over 162. These two are going to cancel, and I'm left with, a ninth of ln root 3, but 5 root 3 over 162 pi minus ln root 3, but remember, is 3 to the half, so if I bring that half in front, that's minus 18, a ninth times a half, so 18 ln 3. Not lovely, but there we go.